Everybody had mottos, not only the Gaudiya, the Chaitanya followers, there were many other mottos also. The Sikhs had mottos, even the Guru Nanak, who had not visited. Surya Bhai was telling, every person, everybody, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru Nanak, Kabir, Namdev, everybody, any big person. There were 186 mutts in Puri. Everybody who wanted to Puri, went to Puri, wanted to leave his mark there and take away. Can you imagine? People used to walk from Lahore. The Sikh Aarti, the basic Sikh Aarti, was composed in Puri. And you know what they did? They broke 22 mutts, beautification drive, raised it to the ground, including the 700-year-old MR Mutt and the Raghunandan Library, which is, I think, cultural genocide of even the Nazis had not done this. 22 mutts in and around the temple, which had associational significance with the temple. The glory of the Puri mutts is, what? The Raja had assigned something or the other. कोई दवाई देता था, कोई तुलसी देता था, कोई फूल देता था, किसी का साल में एक दफ़ा रिचुअल, किसी का डेली होता था, कोई चामर सेवा करता था. All the mutts had associational significance. You finished the mutt culture. They said, we will replace all the 22 mutts. Not one single mutt has been. We wiped off history. The Raghunandan Library was a library where scholars from Banaras, it had a library of 6 languages. There was Telugu, there was Tamil, there was Assamia, there was Bengali and Sanskrit. They used to come to Puri, stay for 6 months only to refer to the library. And when we went and saw it, 66,000 books, 8,000 manuscripts. When we went to saw what were 5,000 books, 2,000 books were the Russian books, which used to come earlier. Those ones, not a single map, 180 manuscripts. Where did everything go?